Okay, let me start the IPA test mode. So once we finish the download hit here, then you can see that we have the folder here. I recommend to have the copy, then go to the C drive, then press the whole folder here, then we change the file name as the IPA. Okay, so once you finish, then this folder will be the communication with the software that's for remote control. Okay, so for this case, we have let's to describe how to use that. So we have the file. Let's tell you how to do that. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can refer to the user guide here. This is the IPA mode that tell you how to do the operation, then how to do the process about how to change the folder. So for this case, I just show you how to do that. Then go to the IPA here. Then we go to the log here. Very important thing is we are using this folder to do the communication with the software. So because now we change to the IPA here, so we need to address the IPA. The file we will check that is under C IPA, and this is for 328, and this is for 893. Then this is for the logs. That's for some messages that's coming from the software. So once we finish, then we press the save. Okay, then we go to here to press the copy, and copy to the folder that's under the C drive. Let me check that. And the C drive. Then go to the program files here, x86. Then go to the key side, NS2, and pressed here. You will repress the original one. So which means once we enable it, you will go to the check for the folder that's named IPA. Then we can close this one. This is the first step. The second step is we need to do some like the menu operation. Then we go to here. For example, that we go to the NS3X. So we are just open the file. So this file is mean we will check the file that's for save the file will be under IPA and file watch here. So this is what we communication with the software. So we don't need to change because this is the same consistent as the C file here. Be careful. Let's for the JSON, every JSON file we have the double slash to the folder if you want to choose. Then we go to the test script. So test script here, for example, let's say we are testing Adaptivity CAM. So under this one, we open this one to check that. So the profile, we will go to here. So once we finish, we will generate the file to 893X. So for this case, we just delete this is the pass. So careful, let's the double slash here. Then we cannot, we don't need to change here. If you want to do additional change, you can refer to the user guide to have more parameters to the testing. Then we finish, then we press the save. Okay, so in order to do some changes, so I have some numbers in front to make sure this is a testing 1, testing 2. Okay, so once we finish the old testing, then we go to the IPA, the menu IPA here, to running the A93X here. So once we press double click, it will launch the 0047A. Then we automatically to go to the A93. Then we automatically connect to instrument as well. So be careful that the instrument should be, last time you need to do the manual connection to make sure the instrument is well connected. Okay, so when you finish, you can see that we have IPA mode in on the top. So under this IPA mode, you cannot adjust anything. You cannot have any button to select because it's under remote listening mode. Okay, so once you finish, then we go to the C folder here. Then we go to here to check the. Okay, then we go to IPA mode here. Okay, so we have test script for this one. Then we press the copy. Then we go to IPA for the file watch. So once we finish, then we will do the pressed here. So once we pressed, you can see that the circle is running. So instrument, we check this one. Instrument is just do some communication with to do some measurement for the CAM testing. Okay, so under this log here, you can see that we have log for accumulation for the numbers. So it is finished. Okay, so once we finish, then we go to here to see the file watch. We will show up the OK. So OK is the mean this testing item is finished. So then we go to another testing item again. Then we press maybe the second one. Okay, then go to the copy and do the pressed again. So do the pressed. This is the manual operation. So once you do that, then you will start the testing again for another section. Okay. Okay, so for this kind of CM, we will not pop up any messages. We just go directly to do the measurement. So once we finish, you can see the test result. We will have two testing results here. So this is item 1 is item 2. So you can change the parameter inside. Okay, so this is first one, then this is the second one. Okay, so once you finish, actually the file will automatically save to the folder that's under the IPA. Here we have A93X. This is just we do the measurement here. So you can stop any time. So if you don't want it, you can just stop it. So if we want to using the offline data, so we can do the launch the IoT 0047 again. Then under the IPA folder, we can do the sound check. Okay, so open, then go to CIPA that we already created. Then this is what we testing earlier. Okay, once we're done, then this is the two messages testing result. Okay, for this case. So if we want to do some post-processing, you can choose different classes here. For example, let's say for class 3, then press apply. then we will automatically generate another one at this one. So this is generated from this file. Okay. So that's it for the demonstration. For more detail, you can refer to the Word file. We have the Word file to explain how to using for the IPA mode. So this is a whole explain, and also we have some parameters here to explain what the parameter comes from. Okay. Yep, that's it. So any question, just let us know.